of AutoCoder illustrates the rapid advancements in generative AI, demonstrating its ability to efficiently manage complex coding tasks and thereby transforming programming workflows. A standout feature of AutoCoder is its code interpreter, which automates both debugging and execution for scientific computations and advanced programming tasks, making it indispensable for developers. In contrast to other AI models such as GPT-4, AutoCoder can independently install necessary dependencies, effectively addressing the limitations of existing interpreters that function within closed environments. Moreover, AutoCoder enhances accuracy and reliability in code generation, which is essential for developers seeking consistent outputs, thus streamlining the overall development process. With support for multiple programming languages and coding styles, AutoCoder proves to be a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of programming tasks, making it invaluable across diverse development environments. Its accessibility, offered in various sizes, enables developers to select models tailored to their project requirements, providing flexibility that benefits both small teams and larger organizations. Additionally, the external code executor plays a pivotal role in validating code behavior, introducing a vital layer of reliability to the generated code, and bolstering confidence in its functionality. During the teaching stage, AutoCoder learns from open source code and advanced models like GPT-4o, significantly improving its coding practices and fostering high standards. Transitioning to the self-learning stage, AutoCoder evolves by interacting with its environment, effectively replacing the teacher model, which enhances its execution and feedback processes. This self-learning approach allows AutoCoder to learn from its mistakes, refining its abilities autonomously while minimizing the need for human oversight, ultimately leading to continuous improvement. In various benchmarks, AutoCoder has showcased superior performance compared to models like GPT-4, particularly in writing clean code and debugging tasks. Despite facing competition from other models in specific programming languages, AutoCoder excels in multilingual coding tasks, demonstrating its versatility across languages such as Java, C++, and Rust. Furthermore, AutoCoder's advanced interpretation skills are essential for developers managing complex projects, allowing for greater trust in its ability to handle intricate coding tasks. The efficiency of AutoCoder facilitates faster processing and code interpretation, which is crucial for streamlining developers' workflows and diminishing debugging time. Lastly, being open source, AutoCoder offers developers extensive customization options, enabling them to tailor the tool to their specific coding requirements and environments.